Psychological explanations of offending, differential association. Many psychological theories of crime consider both nature and nurture, but differential association focuses specifically on learning. This perspective proposes that criminal behavior develops through interactions with others, not through genetic inheritance. It explains how people acquire attitudes toward crime and the skills needed to commit different offenses. Differential association theory. Edwin Sutherland, 1939, introduced differential association theory, arguing that offending can be fully understood through social learning processes. People are socialized into patterns of behavior by those around them, and crime is no different. At the heart of the theory is the idea that the frequency and strength of a person's social contacts shape their attitudes and behaviors. Sutherland believed it might even be possible to create a mathematical model predicting the likelihood of offending based on how often individuals are exposed to pro-criminal influences. What is learned? A child or young person can learn. 1. Attitudes toward crime. They may learn which behaviors are viewed as acceptable or unacceptable in their family, peer group, or neighborhood. For example, some communities may view burglary as normal but violent crime as unacceptable. 2. Techniques for committing offenses. Learning may include specific strategies for carrying out crimes. Some techniques can be complex, while others are simple, such as learning how to steal from a shop. If the balance of pro-criminal attitudes outweighs anti-criminal ones, the person is more likely to offend. Who teaches these attitudes? Criminal attitudes and behaviors are learned from close personal relationships, such as family members or peer groups. The wider social environment, including neighborhoods and communities. Social groups that may not be criminal themselves, but still hold favorable views toward rule-breaking or hostility toward authority. The extent to which a community supports or rejects criminal involvement partly explains why crime rates differ across regions. How is criminal behavior learned? Sutherland argued that learning occurs through the frequency, duration, and importance of social interactions. Direct reinforcement, such as receiving praise for deviant behavior. Indirect, vicarious, reinforcement, when individuals observe role models benefiting from criminal acts. Modeling, where individuals imitate behaviors they see in others. Over time, these experiences form patterns of thinking and behaving that can increase the likelihood of offending. Sutherland's 9 key principles. Criminal behavior is learned, not inherited. It is learned through interaction with others. Most learning occurs within close personal relationships. Individuals learn attitudes, motivations, and rationalizations for crime.